Ever pondered why some businesses don't continue to balloon indefinitely, or why a hot new startup suddenly stagnates? The answer often lies in a concept known as diseconomies of scale. First, let's unpack what scale means in this context. In the world of economics, scale refers to the size of a business operation. When a business expands, it's said to be scaling up. Now, economies of scale is a term you might already be familiar with. It's the cost advantage that companies achieve when production becomes efficient, primarily as a result of scale. But like the law of diminishing returns in economics, there's a tipping point. Beyond a certain scale, businesses may experience what's called diseconomies of scale. These are factors that cause average costs to rise as a business expands. Now, diseconomies of scale can be internal, related to the company's own operations, or external, related to factors outside the company's control. Today, the spotlight is on external diseconomies of scale. Imagine a booming tech hub like Silicon Valley in the early 21st century. As more tech companies set up shop, competition for resources, from office space to skilled workers, intensifies. This drives up prices for everyone, leading to external diseconomies of scale. Or consider the rare earth metals industry. As demand for these precious resources soars thanks to their use in everything from smartphones to electric vehicles, supply constraints lead to higher prices. Another example of external diseconomies of scale. And it's not just about resources. Infrastructure can also play a role. A rapid influx of companies into a city can strain its transport, power, and communications networks. The resulting inefficiencies and disruptions can increase average costs for all businesses, signaling external diseconomies of scale. So in summary, external diseconomies of scale occur when factors outside a company's control lead to rising average costs as the industry it's part of expands. These factors can include increased competition for resources, higher prices for raw materials, or infrastructure limitations. Understanding these concepts can help businesses make informed decisions about their growth strategies. After all, bigger isn't always better. Sometimes staying lean and nimble can be a more sustainable path to success.